thing's been sitting for about a month and a half. The rattling you hear is from there's a piece of loose metal by the mufflers that the dude added at the muffler shop, so it rattles. But just checking for no leaks, and we're good so far, and everything's just how I left it. But I miss this thing. Can't wait for it to come out in the spring. Got a lot of stuff I'm gonna be doing to it, so, and when I do, I'll make videos of the modifications. Like the grill's we're gonna paint that black. We got a spoiler that'll be on the back too. Getting a tuner, window tint. Already got taillight tint, but I might go a little darker on it. Diffusers, and we're gonna replace the stock muffler tips for a black Flowmaster ones, or something black at least to make it look nice. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I mean, we got thinking about 2 vinyl stripes going all the way down it, dark matte gray, but we'll see.